our lesson of dore. Okay, which one? Okay. So which one here, it means, for example, if there are items that are more than 3, we use our dore. So in this picture, we have several items that are the same thing, but it has multiple. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So it means you have 4 items here. Okay. So for example, I want to know, for example, this is me. Okay. Then I want to know which one is the watch of Casimir. Okay. So how I will make that in a question. Okay. So let's have again, ito, Sneed-san, how you ask that in a question. Which one is the watch of Casimir? How you make that in a question? You're looking for Casimir's watch.
Kasumi no toke wa dore desu ka?
All right, very good, because there's a lot. So it will change now. Check natin eh. Okay, check out. Okay. Okay. So you have our Kasumi. Kasumi-san no toke wa, okay, dore desu ka? Dore desu ka? Okay. So how are you going to answer that? Let's have ito, Emma-san. The color of the watch of Kasumi is the color pink.
Kasumi-san no toke wa momoiro desu.
Momoiro no, because it's a noun.
Momoiro no desu.
Okay, momoiro. Gamene. Momoiro ay kadashi. Okay, that's right. Gamen. That's acceptable. No need for no. Gamene. Momoiro. Because it's only the color. Okay. Momoiro desu. Hai, ako dekimashita. Ito no. Okay, so one more. Kasumi-san no toke wa momoiro desu. Then we just drop ka because it's no longer a question. Okay? That is for our dore, for making a question. But now we have their own watches here. Okay? Now we know that the watch of Taro-kun is the blue. The watch of Takeshi is the purple. And Kasumi's watch is our pink. Okay? How you will say now, this watch, okay, who owns this purple watch? How you make that in a question? Who owns this purple watch, or which one? Let's have a different question instead. It's better to say here that this watch, okay, who owns this watch? So okay, so we come here because there are multiple people here. So we have we will change the answer now to dono toke, okay? Because it's a series, okay? So we're using the kono, sono, and ano. We should have a noun after that. Okay? So we have dono toke wa, okay? Dare no desu ka? Dare no desu ka? So we're saying here that for among of this watch, okay? Among of all this watch, okay, dare no desu ka in this case. But here we have a lot of things. But if we're going to say now that ito kana, okay. So let's have this one. So one more for our year. Takeshi-san no toke wa, the Takeshi's watch. Which one among here is his watch? Okay. So how are we going to answer that? Let's have Jerome.
Takeshi-san no toke wa Murasaki desu.
Okay, Murasaki, but we have our noun. That will become Murasaki no. Should have a no, okay? Because we are connecting two nouns. Remember, for our secondary colors, for Murasaki, Midori, and Dai-Dai-iro, we have our particle no instead. Wakarimasu ka?
Hai, wakarimasu.
Okay, Moichido, how about let's have this one. Okay, I'll change my question. Kasumi-chan no toke wa dono toke desu ka?
Kasumi-chan no toke wa momoiro no toke desu.
So we will change now to our here to have our momoiro, no? Momoiro no toke desu. Toke desu. Wakarimasu ka?
Hai, wakarimasu.
Now, let's make it now in a question here for the purple one. Okay, I will make it in a question now. Ja, Jerome-san, kono, okay, I use kono. Kono murasaki no hon wa, Kasumi-san no desu ka? Kono murasaki no hon wa Kasumi-san no desu ka?
Kono din po ba, Sensei?
So how you should use sono, okay, in reverse.
Sono murasaki no hon wa.
Check first the question. My question is a close-ended question. Okay, how do you understand the question first? Is the
purple book Kasumi-san's belongs to Kasumi-san?
Kasumi-san. So is it an open-ended question or close-ended question?
Close-ended, Sensei.
It's a close-ended. So if a close-ended, how do we answer it?
Hai,
Very good.
Kasumi-san.
Hi or iye. Okay. So it will become hi or iye.
Hai.
So hi, I said Kasumi. Murasaki, no? Murasaki. Murasaki. Kanini Murasaki? The Murasaki book belongs to? And Kasumi is
Takeshi.
what book? So
Momoiro.
hi or iye?
Iye.
Okay, very good. So it becomes iye. Okay, continue. Answer.
Iye. Kono murasaki no hon.
Is it kono?
Wa.
Is it kono? It will change, right?
Iye. Sono.
Very good. Sono?
Iye. Sono murasaki no hon wa Takeshi-san no desu.
Okay, so let's make that's correct one, but let's use our janai. So it will become iye.
Iye. Kasumi janai.
Okay, it will become iye. Kasumi-san no janai. So how will it become? Kasumi-san no janai desu. Janai desu. Then continue answer. Sono.
Sono murasaki no hon wa Takeshi-san no desu.
Hi. Okay. Actually, your answer is already correct, but I want to make it long cut. So in order for you to understand the grammar pattern, you can very simple to say it. Your answer is sono murasaki. Okay, gomene. Murasaki no. Okay. Sono murasaki no hon wa. Okay. Takeshi-san. There's a correction. Takeshi-san no. Because an ownership. Okay. Takeshi-san no desu. Okay. Moichido, you can simple say it. Iie, sono murasaki no hon wa Takeshi-san no desu. Or by simple saying, iie, Takeshi-san no desu. Okay. Because you're just only assuming it's from Kasumi. Okay. But let's practice this one first so we can know our grammar. Okay. So let's have one more. Ja, Gwen-san, imasu ka?
Hai, imasu.
Aoi no hon wa Saori-san no desu ka?
いいえ、青の本は沙織さんのじゃないです。
Okay, one more. Iye, ano?
いいえ、青の本は沙織さんのじゃないです。
Okay, Saori-san. Oh, why iye? Oh, that's right, no? Ah, that's right. Saori-san no janai desu. That's right. Janai desu. Okay, and the answer? Ano?
青本は太郎くんのです。
はい、Taro-kun no desu. はい、横できました。Okay, so that will be the answer. はい、横できました。じゃあ、じゃあ、エマさん、いますか？
はい。はい。
その桃色の本は、たけしさんのですか？
いいえ、その桃色の本はたけし
I
さ
said,
ん
I use sono.
じ
So
ゃ
if
な
I
いで
use
す。
sono, what are you going to use? I use sono. So what are you going to use? My question is was sono. So very good. Should be kono. Okay. Kono. Okay. ちょっと待ってね。その、この桃色の本は
たけしさんじゃないです。
たけしさんのじゃないです。Okay, and answer.
この桃色の本はかすみのです。
かすみちゃんの、okay, です。はい。わかりますか？わかりますか？
OK、わかりません。
Okay, はい。横できました。Okay. ちょっと待って。may nag. So we want to say, the yellow book, where does it come from? Okay. So for example, our book of Saris came from Ejiputo. Okay, we have Ejiputo. Then the book of Takeshi came from our China. We have our Chugoku. And Kasumi's book came from Kankoku. Okay, Kankoku. And we have for the blue, okay, this one for Tarakun, it's from America. Okay, so let's have some notes. Ito. Okay. So let's go back. We have for Egypt, we have our Ejiputo. Okay, Ejiputo. Ejiputo. Then follow with our China, we have our Chugoku. In Korea, we have our Kankoku. And we have for America. Okay. So how we make this one in a question? Okay. So if I will make that in a question now, for example, I want to say Takeshi-san no hon wa doko no desu ka? Doko no desu ka? So I'm asking now, where is the book of Takeshi came from? Takeshi-san no hon wa doko no desu ka? Jerome-san, Takeshi-san no hon wa doko no desu ka?
Takeshi-san no hon wa Chugoku no desu.
はい、よくできました。じゃあ、じゃあ、ジョイさん、かすみさんの桃色の本はどこのですか？
かすみさんの本は韓国です。
韓国の
韓国のです。
はい、もう一度。 Kasumi-san no Momoiro no hon wa doko no desu ka?
Takeshi-san no hon...
Kasumi.
sorry.
Kasumi-chan no
Kasumi-pan.
Moichido.
Kasumi-san.
Kasumi-chan no Momoiro no hon wa doko no desu ka?
Kasumi-san no Momoiro no
Kasumi-chan,
hon...
because she's a young lady.
girl.
Kasumi-chan.
Okay. Kasumi-chan no Momoiro no hon wo
Hon wa.
hon wa kankoku no desu.
はい、横でもう一度。
Ano ba? Sorry. Hilo na ako. Kasumi-chan no Momoiro no hon wa kankoku no desu.
はい、横できました。じゃあ、ジス君、タル君の本はどこのですか？ジス君。
タル君の本はどこのアメリカです。
アメリカのです。You put no, no? You will put no. Okay, もう一度。タル君の本はどこのですか？
タル君の本はどこのアメリカ？
No more doko. Just change doko to America. Okay, one more.
タル君の本はアメリカのです。
アメリカのです。はい、横できました。じゃあ、スニードさん、サオリさんの、本はどこのですか？
サオリさんの本はエジプトのです。
はい、横できました。Now, let's have an open-ended question. Okay. じゃあ、グエンさんいますか？
はい、います。
たけしさんの本はアメリカのですか？アメリカのですか？
たけしさんの本はアメリカのじゃないです。
So how you will start is closed-ended.
いいえ、たけしさんの。
いいえ。
たけしさんの本はアメリカのじゃないです。
はい、アメリカのじゃないです。じゃないです。Then answer. たけしさんの
たけしさんの本は中国のです。
中国のです。はい、横できました。もう一度。たけしさんの本はアメリカのですか？
いいえ、たけしさんの本はアメリカのじゃないです。たけしさんの本は中国のです。
はい、中国のです。はい。次は、アナさん。サオリさんの本は韓国のですか？
いいえ、サオリさんの本はエジプトのじゃない。サオリさんの本は中国韓国のじゃないです。サオリさんの本はエジプトです。
エジプトのです。
エジプトのです。
もう一度。サオリさんの本は韓国のですか？
いいえ、サオリさんの本は韓国のじゃないです。サオリさんの本はエジプトのです。
はい、よくできました。じゃあ、エマさん、タル君の本は、エジプトのですか？
いいえ、タル君の本はエジプトのじゃないです。タル君の本は アメリカのです。
はい、アメリカのです。はい、よくできました。じゃあ、ジェロムさん、たけしさんの本はエジプトのですか？
いいえ、たけしさんの本はエジプトのじゃないです。たけしさんの本は中国のです。
中国のです。はい、よくできました。アイテムはいくらですか？ How much is the item? じゃあ、エマさん、たけしさんの本はいくらですか？
たけ
しさんの本は
8000
Okay, for
た
the
けしさんの
complete the
本は
sentence, okay. 本
た
は
けしさんの本は8700
700
769です。
N we have the N.
6
So how you will answer,
yen.
you have your item what, then you have your price, then N is yen, and this. Okay, もう一度。たけしさんの本はいくらですか？
たけしさんの本は8700 69円です。
69円です。69円です。はい、よくできました。じゃあ、次は、アナさん、いますか？
はい、います。
この本は何色ですか？この本は何色ですか？この本は何色？
この本は何色？
What is 何色？何色 is what color? はい。
その本は黄色です。
Okay, very good. So その本は黄色です。Okay? So I asked her, what color is this book? はい。この本は誰のですか？
その本はサウリさんのです。
そうですか。サウリさんの本はどこのですか？
サウリさんは
サウリさんの本
はエジプトのです。
はい、よくできました。サウリさんの本はいくらですか？
サウリさんの本は1万2547円です。
もう一度、12547円です。はい、よくできました。じゃあ、タルクンさんの本は韓国のですか？
タルコ君の本は韓国のじゃないです。
Okay, so you should start first with Iie, because it's a closed-ended question.
Iie.
Okay, もう一度。タルコンの本は韓国のですか？
いいえ、タルコンの本は韓国のじゃないです。タルコンの本はアメリカのです。
はい、よくできました。タルコンの本はいくらですか？
タルコンの本は3500。
もう一度。タルコンの本は
タルコンの本は3500。89円です。
はい、よくできました。タルコンさんの本はどれですか？どれですか？
タルコンの本は青です。
青です。はい、よくできました。
レベル0。チワワの花助。すごい。これ、なんだろう。中を見たい。ダメだ。見えない。お姉さんに聞こう。お姉さん、これ、何？これ？たい焼きよ。たい焼き？たい？お魚？花助、食べる？食べる。いただきます。すごい。おいしい。あんこがいっぱい。甘い。美味しかった。たい焼き大好き。ごちそうさま。あ、花助。どこ行くの？ワンワン。ほら見て。食べた後は歯をきれいにするよ。ほら、上の歯。ほら、こっちも。ほーら、きれいになった。すごいでしょう。わー、すごい。
So the title of our short story day today is Chihuahua no Hanasuke. Okay, the type of the dog. Okay, then Hanasuke. We have Hanasuke-chan. Okay, the dog. Sugoi. Okay, sugoi, it means amazing. Now we have for this one. Okay, he's wearing some. He has clothes as well. Correct. Okay, so we have our demonstrative of saying this. Nandaro, like saying, what is this? Kore nandaro, this is a shortcut. This is a plain form. Instead of saying, kore wa nan desu ka? This is a casual form of saying, korewa nandaro. Okay, what is this? Instead of desu ka, instead of nan desu ka, it becomes nandaro. Then he says naka. Naka means inside. Naka wo mitai. Mitai, remember, for our adjective, it comes from the word of adjective of mimas. Mimas. But it will become an adjective, it will become mitai by saying here mimas from the word to watch, okay, or to see. But if we have our dropping our mas, it becomes mitai, it becomes an adjective already of saying want to see. Want to see, mitai. Okay, so that is from our short story yesterday. We have talked about our type. Then dame, dame da. Okay, dame, it means not allowed or not good. Then we have da is a plain form instead of the des. So we have the plain form of da. Okay, instead of saying dame des, dame da. Okay, dame da. Then we have mienai. Mienai, it means not able to see. Mienai. So for example, I'm doing some presentation here and you cannot see my screen. You can use for our plain form of miemasen. Miemasen. For example, you cannot see my screen. Sensen, sumimasen, miemasen. Okay. Same thing, but if you cannot hear me, you can say to me, kikoemasen. Kikoemasen, okay? That is the difference of miemasen and mimasen, because when we say mimasen, I will not see. And you will not say kikimasen, I will not listen. But when we say kikoemasen, I cannot hear you. Miemasen, I cannot see. Okay? So you don't say mimasen and kikimasen if you cannot hear or you cannot see my presentation. So we have here the plain form of mienai. Then we have one-san ni kiko. Okay, this is a volition form. Remember our alphabet of our vowel a, i, u, e, o. Okay, so remember for our a line, this is for our negative. Negative. I is for our polite. Then U is for our plain, and E is for our potential, and O is for our volition. Because this kiko came from the word of our polite of kikimas, kikimas. So this one, kikimas, but if you will make it plain, what you're gonna do, you will drop mas. Okay, so what we'll do, copy kikimas, drop our mas, then ki, just change it to u. It will become plain of kiku, kiku. Then if you want to make it our negative, what you will do for the kikimas, drop mas, then change it to a, it will become kika, then adding nai, kikanai. Okay, same meaning with our kikimasen, but this one kikanai, this is the plain form. Then we have our potential of kikimas. What you will do, just change I to E, and you will have kikemas. I can hear. I can hear. Okay. So you will see maybe a different sense. What is the difference now of kikemas and kikoemas? Okay. I will teach that to you in our future lessons, and that is an N4 lesson. Okay. So this one, kikemas, is more on technically can hear, and it's also the same thing here, can hear. But technically, kikemas, it means here for the involuntary. For example, kikemasu ka, kikemasu ka. Okay. For that one, because you are not able to hear what I say, because that is involuntarily. But right now, I'm doing a lesson, so this is voluntarily, that I should assume that you can hear me. So that's the reason we have our kikoemas. So kikoemas is more on voluntarily, that you don't have any control to not listen to my voice. While kikemas is you have the option or you have the talent to hear or not to hear what I say. Then we have our volition of saying here, kikimasu instead of kikimasho. Okay, let's listen. This one will become a plain form of dropping I, then adding o, then plus 2. So we have our kiko, okay, like saying here, let's listen. Okay, but this one, in this context, if you have the person ni, then you have the kikimasu. It doesn't mean that I'm listening to the person, because kikimasu has another meaning of to inquire. Okay? To inquire. Okay. So this one, you are inquiring. So it means one-san ni kiko. So she said here, let's inquire ate. Let's inquire sister. So one-san is big sister or older sister. Let's inquire big sister. Then younger big sister or older sister. Kore nani? What is this? Okay. Then she said in our demonstrative again this, because she's near to the taiyaki. Ah, this is taiyaki. Then she doesn't know taiyaki. What is taiyaki? Okay. Oh, then we have tai. Tai, it means desire, okay, desire or want. Will I like? Then she said here, osakana, is it fish? Then she said, hanaske taberu. Okay, this one is a plain form, okay? Remember, we have in our channel, you can visit our hiragana conjugation. You can see our taberu for our group 2. So this is our vowel verb, okay? So you can check our channel for that. Hanaske taberu. Then she said here, taberu, okay? Do you want to eat? I will eat. Itadakimasu. So itadakimasu, an expression of you receive something, okay? Or before you eat, itadakimasu. Then she said here, sugoi oishii. Okay? So it's delicious. We have anko. Anko, it means red beans. Then ippai, it means many. So you're saying here that the red beans are many. Then amai is sweet. So there's a lot of red beans. It's sweet. Ah, oishikata. Oishikata means was delicious. Taiyaki, daisuki. Okay? Daisuki, it means very light. Gochiso-sama. Okay? Gochiso-sama is an expression of after eating the meal, you say gochiso-sama. Then she said here, hanaske, doko iku no? Where are you going after you eat? Hey, just run. Okay, and the dog is what? One. One is the sound of the dog. So in the Philippines, we say ow ow, but in Japanese, it's one. Hora, it means look. Mite, okay? Hora, mite, they have the same meaning, okay? Look, see. Then we have haburashi, toothbrush, because the word ha means teeth. Then she said here, okay, tabeta ato wa, after eating. Ato, it means after. After eating, okay, he will polish or he will clean the teeth. So we have the word kire. Kire, this is an adjective, but if an adjective has kire ni, this is not anymore an adjective, but this is an adverb. Okay, kire is an adjective, but kire ni, this is an adverb. Then suru is shimasu, to do. Okay, so like he's saying here, to clean the teeth. Okay, to clean the teeth, to do cleaning the teeth. Okay, hora, look. Then we have uwe is up. So she's saying here, up. Okay, look up on the teeth. Okay, then she's also demanding, look, this also. Okay, kochi mo. Kochi is the plain form of kochira, okay, for the direction. Okay, hora, kire ni natta. Okay, it becomes narimashita. Natta, it means became. So it became clean. Sugoi desho. Then she said, it's amazing, right? So once we have our adjective, we're adding our desho, like right. So for example, takai desho, kawaii desho, something like that. So once we're adding desho, it's like desne, okay? But this one, it's more like more aggressive once we put our desho. Wa is an interjection, then sugoi. Okay, and that's the story of our Chihuahua. Okay, Chihuahua no Hanasuke.